class, we learnt about the root system, shoot system and the structure of the stem. This class, we learn about the leaf. The leaf, the flat green part of the shoot system which faces sunlight is known as the leaf. The leaf is green in color because of the chlorophyll content in it. Do you know? The leaves do not grow continuously like the stem. They stop growing on attaining full size. Structure of the leaf. So, a typical leaf has the following structure. First, the petiole. Whenever you look at a leaf, the leaf has a small stem, branch-like thing down of it, right? And that continues into the leaf. That is known as the petiole. Do you know? Sometimes the leaves don't have petiole. What? Yes, the leaves do not have a petiole. They grow directly from the node. Such leaves are known as the sessile leaves. Now we'll learn about the lamina or the leaf blade. What is lamina? So take a look at a leaf. You see that green broad surface which is green in color? The part that is very flat. That is known as the lamina or leaf blade. So you can see that there is a flat surface area on this leaf. This surface area is known as the leaf lamina or the leaf blade. So these outgrowths, you can see these outgrowths are also called as the leaf edges. So you see that this petiole, this is called as the petiole, and this petiole continues up to the leaf, right? So in the middle there is something like this. The point where it continues. So this comes out like this up to the edge of the leaf, and this middle one is known as the midrib. This is known as the midrib. So this whole leaf starts from this petiole up to the midrib. It also bears elongated veins. So these are known as the veins. So these veins come up to the end of this leaf edge. So this is about the structure of the leaf. Next, types of leaves. There are two types of leaves, a simple leaf and a compound leaf. So this is a simple leaf. What are you noticing in here? It's just a leaf. Look at its venation. The midrib is undivided. It contains only a similar types of veins and they're undivided. So this type of leaves where the veins are undivided are known as the simple leaves. Examples, rose. Rose is an example of this compound leaf. So this compound leaf, what is compound in here? So you see that in this midrib, it continues as a vein, and you see it's dividing into more veins. So this is a compound leaf. So the leaf where the midrib divides continuously into further parts is known as a compound leaf. Example, rose. So this is all about the types of leaves. Leaves can be classified on the basis of various characteristics. First, on the basis of their shape. So, you see a leaf, you see another leaf. Both are not similar, right? You see the leaf of another plant. You see like every leaf is not similar, right? One can be heart-shaped, one can be oval-shaped, one can be circular. So, first type is needle-shaped. This needle shape has sharp edges. Example, pine leaves and onion leaves. Second, oval. These are oval shape. Example, guava. You see a guava leaf. And the third one is heart shape. Example, people. You see this? It's heart shape. This is called people. And the next type is circular. It is a straight and circular shape. Example, lotus. You see a lotus leaf. It is circular. And then you can see eucalyptus. You see a eucalyptus. This is tapering shape. Next type is oblong shape. You see a banana leaf. So a banana leaf, sometimes you also eat in that, right? It is flat in surface, it is very long, you see. That is oblong shape. On the basis of margin. First on the basis of shape, right? Next on the basis of margin. First one, the complete or entire margin. So they have a complete or they cover up to the leaf edge. Example, people, a people leaf. Next, toothed or serrated margin. Example, China rose. So they have a toothed or serrated margin. Next, wavy margin. Example, Ashoka and mango. Best example is mango. Wavy margin. They have a wavy margin. Then spinous margin. Spinous, as the name suggests, there are one is spiny. Example, prickly poppy. Venation of leaves. As I told you, arrangement of veins in a lamina is known as venation. It is mainly of two types, reticulate venation and parallel venation. Reticulate venation. So most of the leaves you see around are of reticulate venation. Some special plants like banana, they only have the parallel venation. So reticulate venation. In this type of venation, veins and veinlets are irregularly distributed, forming a network. So whenever you heard of the word reticulate, remember of the word network. The arrangement is net-like. So example, people and guava leaves. You see guava leaves, people leaves, they all are like this. Next, parallel venation. As I told you, whenever you remember of parallel, you remember of banana. In this type of venation, veins run parallel to each other. Example, banana. In grass also you can see grass, maize and wheat leaves. Means all these are monocot plants. In next video, we'll learn about the functions of the leaf and about photosynthesis. Thank you.